What if a lake could show you the truth inside your heart? Stay with this story till the end, because the Crystal Lake is not just a folk tale. It teaches a powerful lesson about honesty, courage, and inner beauty in very simple English. Welcome to Talk Through Tales, where we learn English through beautiful folk stories from around the world. Today's story comes from Uzbekistan, a land of deserts, mountains, and magical legends. Long ago, in a quiet village in Uzbekistan, there lived a poor but kind young boy named Amir. Amir worked hard every day. He helped his mother, shared his food, and always spoke the truth. Near the village, there was a mysterious place called the Crystal Lake. The water was very clear like glass. People said the lake was magical. Why were people afraid of the Crystal Lake? The villagers believed that if a bad person looked into the lake, the water would turn dark. But if a good person looked into it, the water would shine brightly. One day, a proud and rich man named Rahim came to the village. He laughed at the poor people and said, "This lake is just a story. There is no magic." Rahim went to the Crystal Lake first. He looked into the water. Suddenly, the clear water became black and cloudy. Rahim was shocked and afraid. He ran away. Why did the lake change its color? Later, Amir came to the lake to collect water for his mother. He looked into the lake quietly. The water began to sparkle like crystal. The lake glowed with a soft blue light. Birds sang and the wind felt warm. The villagers saw this and understood the truth. Was the magic in the lake or in Amir's heart? From that day, the people learned an important lesson. They stopped judging others by wealth or power. They respected honesty and kindness. Rahim returned one day, changed and humble. He asked Amir to teach him how to be good. Amir smiled and said, "Be honest, be kind, the rest will follow." Moral of the story: true beauty and magic come from a clean heart and honest actions. Did you like this story? Like the video, comment your favorite part, subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more simple English stories. Learn English one story at a time. What do you think the Crystal Lake would show about you?